The word Virsa is derived from the word Virasat, which means heritage, legacy. Virsa reaches out to children in schools across India, irrespective of their economic backgrounds, and it is free for the children and the schools. We are grateful to the Ministry of Culture who are supporting our NGO in this project.
I would like to congratulate Virsa for this step forward. Virsa enables self-directed learning on a digital platform, which is not only interactive, but it also provides for individualized teaching and learning.
I compliment the Roots and the people behind us, Tina ji, Surinder Malik ji, Rakesh ji, and of course, the Gurus, Debu ji, Pandit Birju Maharaj ji, for taking this initiative and bringing it to the new digital platform, that how can we take this rich heritage and culture of the India, which is our strength, to the corners of the world.
I'm really so overwhelmed. I don't know what to say, because this is a kind of an idea which in our history of music we have been longing, because Guru was always beyond the reach of the common people in our history. So from Gurumukhi to digital, both the opposite ends, One you learn from Guru at the feet, and one you learn from a distance. We may call it today distant education.
विरसा अच्छे बहुत खूबसूरत शब्द है, इरादे बड़े बुलंद हैं. ईश्वर करी ये भविष्य में सक्सेस हो और हमें हमारे बच्चों को तालीम अच्छे ढंग से मिल सके, और तमाम गुरुओं को इतनी जिम्मेदारी होगी कि बच्चों को हम अच्छी तरह से समझा सकें, और यहाँ की विधाएं जितनी हैं, सभी विधाएं, चाहे वो कथक है, भरतनाट्यम है, जो भी है, पेंटिंग इत्यादि इत्यादि, सबसे परिचय कम से कम करा सकें.
Happy to know the NGO Roots is launching the Virsa program. The idea is to spread peace through Indian heritage and culture in different schools for the children. And I wish Roots all success, and Sapa is very happy to be part of it and helping them in whatever way they need.
मुझे बेहद खुशी हुई जब मैंने ये सुना कि विरसा के जरिए बहुत सारे बच्चों को हिंदुस्तान के कोने कोने में ये मौका मिलेगा. नृत्य, कला, ड्रामेटिक्स, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, आप जो सीखना चाहें आपको ये मौका मिलेगा सीखने का.
We firmly believe that music will bring in more harmony, peace, and an attitude of non-violence in our lives. And we've been working towards this, and we are very, very happy to associate ourselves with Roots to Roots, an NGO which is working through a program called Visra to do the very same thing, to bring in Indian classical music and our cultural heritage into the lives of the children and the youth of our country.
It's a beautiful idea, जहाँ पे आप सब कॉन्टिनेंट के बच्चों को टीच करना चाहते हैं और अपनी जो हेरिटेज है, you want to pass it on to them. मेरा ख्याल है कि ये बहुत खूबसूरत काविश है, और इस काविश के लिए मैं रूट्स को बहुत मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ.